Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn Class 10 FIT Chapter 4 Communication Technology. Communication technology refers to all equipments and programs that are used to communicate information. So here, there are different types of networks, but computer network is a great way to communicate information. These are the contents of this chapter. The first one is introduction to a network. Second one is benefits of network. Third, types of network. Fourth, internet. Fifth, wired networking technologies. Sixth, wireless networking technologies. Number 7, devices used for communication. Firstly, we will go with introduction to a network. Introduction to a network. A network is a system of interconnected computers and other peripherals that communicate with one another and share hardware, software, and other resources. Which means that the computer can talk to each other and every computer in the network can send information to the others. And then a computer network links two or more computers and other peripherals so that they can exchange data and share resources like hard disks, printers, etc. And then the next one is benefits of networking. Benefits of networking are file sharing is possible. Here, it is not that you can only share photos, music files and documents, but you can also save copies of your important data on a different computer. And then the second one is printer or peripheral sharing is possible. Printers and hard drives, which are collectively known as resources, the ability of sharing resources reduces the cost of buying hardware of computer. For example, a group of network users can share one central scanner instead of buying a scanner for each user. And then the third point is internet connection sharing is possible. In this point, multiple family members or staff members in office can access the internet simultaneously without having to pay ISP, which is Internet Service Provider, for multiple accounts. And then the fourth one, multiplayer games can be played. Next, types of networks. There are different types of networks, but in this chapter we will discuss the main three types of network. Those are LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN, which is nothing but local area network. It is the most common type of network that connects computers and devices located close to each other, such as in a building. Local area networks do not have more than 100 computers. Most common example of LAN are computers connected in an office. And then the second one is MAN. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It is a collection of local area networks which connects computers that are located in the same area like a town or city. For example, local bank branches in a city. And then the third one is Wide Area Network, WAN. Wide Area Network interconnects local and metropolitan area networks. Wide area networks can be located throughout a country and even around the world, for example, ATM, Internet. Okay, next is Internet. Internet. Internet is a global network of interconnected computers that allows exchange of information for research, shopping, entertainment, etc. The internet can be used for communication with others using emails, blogs, chat rooms, and social networking sites. Whatever you want to buy, you can get them somewhere on internet. You can also play online games, listen to music and read online books. And then some services of internet are it provides electronics mail facility and as we all know the widely used part of the internet is the World Wide Web. And then the third, downloading and uploading facilities are also available on the internet. And then fourth, chatting can be done on the internet. Next one. Next one is wired networking technologies. Wired types of wired networking technologies are two wire open line, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, fifth, Ethernet cable. So the first one is two wire open line. Two wire open line is the simplest transmission channel. It contains two wires of copper and each wire is insulated from the other. And then the second one is twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable. It is the same type of wire as that used for telephones. In it, two insulated wires are twisted around each other to minimize disturbance, but they still remain susceptible to electrical interference or noise. These cables are inexpensive. And then the third one is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable. It is the wire used by cable television users. It consists of central wire surrounded by insulation, which is then surrounded by a layer of braided wire. These cables can transmit data faster than twisted pair cable and are less prone to noise. Next one, fourth, optical fiber cable or fiber optic cable. A fiber optic cable transmit data in the form of light pulses. Fiber optic cables have numerous advantages. The data transmission is incredibly fast. They can transmit data over long distances without much data loss as compared to twisted pair and coaxial cables. Furthermore, this type of cables is very secure as it is extremely difficult to tap into such a cable. And then the fifth one is Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable is it is one of the most popular form of network cable used on wired networks. Wireless networking technologies. Types of wireless networking technologies are Bluetooth, infrared communication, Wi-Fi. The first one is Bluetooth. So Bluetooth. Bluetooth is often seen being used to have a wire-free connection between a headset and mobile phone, but it is used to connect a whole range of devices, including digital cameras, laptops, PCs, and games consoles. The technology consists of chips that use radio signals to transfer information over short distances. And then the second one is infrared communication. So infrared communication, when when you use a television remote control, you use infrared waves. No wires are required, but it's just that the transmitter and receiver must be in line of sight. And then the next one is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is defined as an abbreviation for wireless fidelity, meaning you can access or connect to a network using radio waves without needing to use wires. It provides wireless high-speed internet and network connection. Next one, devices used for communication. Devices used for communication are number one, server. Server it is itself a computer that provides services or resources to other computers connected with it by some networking mechanism. And then the second one is switch. Switch is a networking hardware that connects devices on a computer network by using packet switching to receive and forward data to the destination device. And then the third one is router. Router is a device. It is a device that determines the next network point to which a packet should be forwarded toward its destination. Next one. Next one is LAN card or network card. If you want your computer to be connected to a network, it must have the network card. Nowadays, most new computers have a network card built into the motherboard. And then the last one is modem. Modem. The word modem consists of mo plus dem. Mo stands for modulator and dem for demodulator. Conversion of digital to analog signals is called modulation, and the reverse process, reconstructing the original digital message at the other end of the transmission, is called demodulation. And then a modem, a short form of modulator or demodulator, is a device that converts a digital signal to an analog signal. A modem can be either internal or external, depending on whether it is fitted inside a computer or placed externally. There is no other difference between the two types. Their functions are the same. And a modem speed is measured in bits per second. A fast modem means it can pump greater number of bits of information. This is what all about this chapter, and I hope you guys will grab all the important points what I have teach in this video. So today I will end up the video here and see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.